Hello, my name's Sophia. Today we're going to fix a toilet fill valve. Get your mom and dad to help you get the toilet top off. And here's what a toilet fill valve looks like. First, we're going to get out the water and twist this clockwise. I'm going to flush the toilet so the water comes out. Let's get a bucket to get all the water in. Now that the tank is empty, we're gonna unscrew the fill valve. Now the screw fill valve is out, we can lift the fill valve up. Now we have our new fill valve. We're going to put the shade washer on flat side up. Now we're going to put the washer on and hold this straight up. Make sure to hand tighten it. If it's too tight, it would break. Now we're going to attach the hose. After that, we're going to feed it into the hole. We're going to put the water back in. Now that it's on tight, we're going to put the water on. After the tank is filled, we're going to flush it and see if it works. It works. Yay!